Create an online presence just the way you want without writing a single line of code. Simplify your content creation and publishing. Just click, drag and drop. JQ Portal by Maurix presents a way to change user interface on the fly according to your requirements. A system to manage your business, social and personal online needs. A method to enhance your global presence by presenting ideas in different formats, and a marketplace to generate revenue and promote business. Let me take you through the process of creating a simple application, starting with a blank page and adding widgets using a content manager. I can add as many widgets as I want without having to write a single line of code. First, I have added the dashboard widget. I would also like to add the product and services widget, but first I will review it and see if it suits my requirements, and only then I will add it to my web page. Similarly, I will also check out the form designer. I can review it in a separate pop-out, and since it has all the functionalities I'm looking for, I will add it to my web page. I find that JQ Portal stacks all my widgets one after another. To refine the layout of my web page, I can do so using a simple layout manager. Using this intuitive dialog box, I can add, delete and even resize the panels to suit my requirements. And in the layout that gets automatically updated, I can drag and drop my widgets and place them in the desired location to optimize my workflow. I can maximize my widget or open it in a separate pop-out window. User experience can be greatly enhanced if the look and feel of the widget fits its functionality. JQ Portal is equipped with 24 different themes, from where I can choose the one that best suits my web page. Save it to instantly change the look and feel of my web page. It's that simple. The Options drop-down has several selections available. I can publish my widget to my website using an automatically generated piece of code by simply copying and pasting this code onto my web page. I can email it to a selected set of friends, or I can share it with the world on a social networking site such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even Google+. So much with just a few clicks. If you have a vision, we help you fulfill it by providing hundreds of online widgets and features. Let's go through some of our widgets and see how they help us in our day-to-day life. Do visitors to your website expect more than just static information? If you wish to display your content in rich text formats along with pictures and videos, include your changing product and services information using the simple plug-and-play framework. Give your visitors a dynamic, interactive and more visual experience. This widget makes your work simple by providing a list of templates from which you can load to get a head start. And above all, you can also create and save your very own templates, market them and generate revenue. Create a catalog for the launch of your new product using the book widget that can be easily customized. Advertisement tools such as the Carousel make engaging demos. Preview and perfect them first before impressing your clients. Slideshows present your business ideas to clients in an engaging and cost-effective way. Make a creative campaign using one of the slideshow templates and reach out to your clients successfully. Also, you can create your very own templates, sell them and generate revenue. Design your own forms no matter how complex they may be using simple drag and drop, or simply choose from over 100 templates be it for registration, evaluation, invites, or any other requirement. Customize it and start using it within minutes. JQ Portal Form Designer also provides a framework from where you can create new templates, sell them to generate revenue. The Data Grid Builder is a data visualization and analysis tool that creates tables or data grids with features such as sorting, filtering, row selection, pagination, and charting from the data present on remote locations without any coding. Just provide the remote data location, choose data formats which could be CSV, HTML, XML, or JSON, and generate the data grid. Customize the grid using edit features to configure the height, width, and title of the data grid. Column properties, for example, whether to show or hide a column, whether editable or filterable, display formats of columns, all can be modified. It also allows saving data grid information which you can use later to generate the same data grid. It gives you a way to generate revenue by letting you save your templates and sell them. Converting complex presentations of data is made simple with the use of this unique online solution by JQ Portal. Be sure not to miss out on any of your important tasks of the day. Use utility widgets such as Notes and To-Do List, which help home users and officials in organizing their day and prioritizing their work. Adding, scheduling, prioritizing, and taking care of everyday tasks has never been this easy. Want to write and sell your own apps? Write a fresh code or start with a template, enhance it and save it as a new widget. Our application builder gives developers and software companies a framework from where they can buy plugins, leverage their product and sell them at the marketplace using a PayPal account, thus creating a successful revenue generating business model. Using open standards and open source, we create an open market where developers and designers can freely create and sell their products. Venture capitalists and angel investors see JQ Portal as a platform where they can find new product ideas to promote. Managing your project effectively is all about reliable planning. Minimize your time, effort, and cost by getting a project management widget which gives you strategic advantage over your competitors. Set project milestones, define tasks, and manage your resources. Monitor the progress to execute your project successfully. And as all widgets provide, design and sell your own project management templates to generate revenue. Social media widgets let you reach out to a much wider target audience. Now publish your products on social media in a smarter and faster way using our social networking widgets such as Facebook and LinkedIn. Grow more with today's social media, which allows you to create brand awareness at low cost. Reach out to customers on a personal level and stay ahead of competition. Get information relevant to your site from other publishers using the RSS feed. Present the latest news in the area of interest to visitors coming to your website. Using simple select options, customize the widget with information relevant to your business. Save your favorite links and view it in your bookmarks widget. The saved bookmarks in the bookmark widget can be easily searched to find the desired one. Don't let all the links and websites you are using clutter your desktop and leave you confused. Organize your online activity into separate categories using our dashboard widget and find the desired links with easy search features. You can even upload your entire bookmark file to create a new dashboard, design it according to your liking and sell it. Publishing companies handling hundreds of videos can organize their resources using our video gallery widget. Organize all your videos into separate categories for easy access using an intuitive dialog box and quickly find the one you need with our dynamic search feature. JQ Portal gives you an online web tool which helps you create an application of any complexity for the web, tablet or iOS without knowing anything about coding. So as we have seen, JQ Portal provides ease of use in adding content, creating layouts, changing themes and content publishing options. Our products are state-of-the-art and meet the needs of end users, developers, designers and businesses, and all benefit from using our products. For end users, it is a one-stop solution to all your professional and personal needs. Choose widgets, customize them, publish them to social media to tap unlimited possibilities. It helps users with no prior knowledge of software to design and develop complex forms, presentations, websites, data grids and content in various formats. User can manage projects, analyze data and track deals and events without writing a single line of code. Organize and increase productivity by using contacts, notes, calculator, things to do, bookmarks, search and a lot of other such widgets. User can also view current happenings in professional circles and communicate with friends and relatives. Developers and software companies can develop widgets and applications. Developers can use form designers, presentation designers, code editors and Ajax editor. They can sell their widgets to generate revenue and increase customer base. Designers can publish their work using various formats like carousel, slideshow, video gallery, catalog and timeline. Small businesses can create their websites, funding requests, video galleries, dynamic content and business solutions and publish them online by just a few clicks. It reduces amount of time and money to publish ideas and content online, giving you fast output. It helps you create effective online presence, information sharing, and creates opportunities and increases business leads. Businesses can increase productivity and retain their customers furnished by simple and intuitive platforms. Our goal is to make complex things simple and provide opportunities for growth. Help users make effective and robust online presence by publishing ideas, thoughts and content in various formats. Join us and together we'll create a better world. This presentation was brought to you by Sonal Kamalini, communicating your ideas effectively. Thank you for watching.